Dear God, thank you for this day. Please watch over me as I sleep. Amen.
Oh, thank you, dear. They look wonderful.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Your songs are so beautiful. I love this magic. Almost ready for the steamer. Wow, thank you!
Yay, pastries!
Okay, everyone gets one. These are so good. I could eat these all day. I am grateful for this moment of peace, for the warmth of the sun and the comfort of home. Dear God, thank you for this day. Please watch over me as I sleep. Amen.